20 divided 1 upon 2 times 2. How do you solve this? Now if you follow order of operation, then we have the rule called PEMDAS, where we first solve parenthesis, then comes exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. No parenthesis and exponent, so first we will solve multiplication. That means 20 divided 1 upon 2 times 2. So this part will be solved first as per the order of operation. So this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. Now it is 20 divided by 1. That means it's equal to 20. But what if you follow PEMDAS, in which parenthesis exponent d is written first and then we have m. So division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. This is also the same rule for order of operation. In that case, we will do division first. So 20 divided by 1 upon 2 means 20. Division gets converted into multiplication, and then the number after that gets inverted. So 1 upon 2 becomes 2, then times 2. That means 20 times 2 is 40 and 40 times 2 is 80. 80 will be the answer and not 20. Now there can not be two answers for the same question. Why are we getting two different answers? Because you see, this division and multiplication, they are reciprocal actions. They have equal priority. Therefore, we group them together and solve them from left to right, whichever comes first. They are reciprocal actions. Just we have solved, division gets converted into multiplication. For example, 4 divided by 2, we can also write it as 4 multiplied to 1 upon 2. And because of this, they are given equal priority. Now, if you group them together, then it doesn't matter whether you follow PEMDAS or PEMDAS, you will get the same answer. For example, if you follow PEMDAS and you follow left to right rule, so from left to right you have division first, so it will be 20. Division will be solved first, so 20 multiplied to 2, then times 2, so this is equal to 80. And if you follow PEMDAS, then also from left to right division comes first. We were getting 18 in the PEMDAS because coincidentally in PEMDAS d is written first and from left to right we have division. Now also remember that this left to right is for multiplication division only. If you have 40 plus written before this question, then this doesn't mean that you will start left to right from here and do the addition first, because addition or subtraction will always come after multiplication division. So left to right choice is between multiplication division or between addition subtraction. Addition subtraction is also a reciprocal action, that's why they are also grouped together and we solve them left to right, whichever comes first. I hope there is no confusion now. Thanks for watching.